Dear students, in our previous videos we studied the properties of an image is formed by the convex mirror, and also we studied the image properties of concave mirror. Yes. Now there is an obvious question going in everybody's mind, that is that any need to study about these kind of mirrors? In reality, where we are going to use these mirrors? Yes, there are lots of advantages or applications of convex and concave mirror in our daily lives. Yes, let's first study the uses of concave mirror or applications of concave mirror. Have you ever seen a solar heater? You might have seen this. Solar heater are the devices that use the energy from the sun to heat something. It's a kind of devices which uses the energy from the sun to heat something. It is the most common device which uses the concave mirror for its functioning. Here concave mirror is used for the functioning of solar heater. We already know that a ray of light coming from object kept at infinity after reflection, it meet at a point, that is converge after reflected by a concave mirror. Here is the sun. It is far away from us, hence the rays of light coming from the sun are parallel to the earth's surface. These parallel rays after reflection converge at a point focus. At a point focus. This focus is a hot location. This focus is a hot location. If you place a paper at this point, definitely it will catch a fire. This experiment we did in our previous videos. The principal focus is in hot location. If you place a paper, obviously it will catch as fire. Now we can use this property to cook food and in order to heat up liquids. Yes, this is the property of an concave mirror that converges all the parallel rays of light towards a point, that principal focus point, and it is a hot location. So this property of a concave mirror helpful to cook food or heat up some liquids and etc. As we need to do is to place a container at this focus point, it will heat up after some time. Yes. Next, the another application of an concave mirror, in order to view four objects. Concave mirror is used to view four objects, and I am talking about an astronomical telescope. You might have heard the name, some of you are seeing this, an astronomical telescope. How does concave mirror used in telescope? Yes, here when the parallel rays of light from the distant object, that is from the star, any other source of light you can take, enter the telescope, they fall on the concave mirror which is placed on opposite side. This concave mirror converges all the rays at a focal point. Converges all the rays at a focal point. So the image of the star formed at this place. The secondary mirror is placed or is kept like this so that it reflects the light upward towards the eyepiece. Here the eyepiece has a lens which then magnifies the image. This way we can able to see the enlarged image of an faraway objects. Here the term lens, we will discuss about the meaning of lens in our further classes. This type of telescope is also called as Newtonian telescope. Why? Because Sir Isaac Newton was the first who come up with an idea of this. Hence it is also called as Newtonian telescope. Concave mirror is used in Newtonian telescope or astronomical telescope. Next we will move on to the another application of an concave mirror. If you remember in the previous videos, we talk about this mirror which be found in bathrooms. Another kind of mirrors which we will use in our bathrooms. Many men use it for a shaving purpose. Many men will going to use this kind of mirror for shaving purpose, and also women use it for beautification. Along with that, even women also use this kind of mirror for their beautification. Yes, this also a concave mirror. In this We use the concave mirror. It must be a very obvious now why we have to use the concave mirror, because in order to get an enlarged image, it gives the better view of our face. In order to give a enlarged image and in order to get a better view of our face. Now another application, when a concave mirror are used in the headlights of the vehicle. Yes, concave mirror are used in the headlights of the mirror. Headlight helps us to see the things in front of the vehicle during the dark, isn't it? We would have seen the objects which is sufficiently large distance of our vehicle. We are able to see the vehicles in front of our car or in front of our vehicle for a larger distance also. How it is possible? Yes, let us quickly reveal that. We know that when the object is kept at a focal point, the light ray from the object after reflection travel parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, it will travel parallel to the principal axis for a long distance. The ray of light, if you kept a bulb, okay, for example, if you kept a bulb in the focal point, what happened? Almost all the reflected rays will travel parallel to each other in one direction. Yes, in one direction all the reflected rays are traveling. Its same concept is used in the headlight of a car or any other kind of vehicles. It will give us a distant view of road ahead. Yes, however, in reality we don't really want all the rays must travel parallelly. That is, we also want some of the rays to travel bit sideways. Why? Because we need not only want to see the road ahead, but also we want to see the things along the sideways. While we are traveling, we want to see the things which are along the sideways of our vehicle. This will help us to see the vehicle coming in opposite direction on the other side of the road. So, for that purpose, we use what we call the deflectors. Yes, we use a deflectors. This helps us to deflect some of the rays by a smaller degrees. These reflectors helps some of the light rays to deflect a smaller degree, which helps to see the things in a sideways.